What is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer Casmer, and I'm bringing it to you for brand builders, influencers, coaches, creators, whoever you may be that's trying to grow your brand online, starting with YouTube. So in this video, I'm actually going to teach you a quick lesson on ineligibility when it comes to monetization. If you have a channel that is already monetized, but you have a copyright claim on your video, this is the way to get the copyright claim resolved and removed from that video so you can move forward with it being monetized. So I have my screen up here for you. This is one of my clients' accounts, aka my hubby, and I grew his brand in about 8 months and got him monetized. I got him the 1,000 subscribers, the 4,000 hours watch time. He's actually at 9,000 subscribers plus, and monetized in just little less than 8 months. So I'm super, super excited. He's pumped. I'm working on my kids' channels now and a few other clients. So if you'll notice here, this video came up ineligible to be monetized. And if you actually click on the video itself, you should get the opportunity to make changes. Let's check out this video. So we're going to click on the video, and once it opens, it should give us some options about removing or resolving those issues with the copyright claim. So right here, I'm going to click on copyright claim, and then I'm going to go to see details. Once I click on see details, another window obviously is going to pop up, and then it's going to tell me a little bit more about the details surrounding why it's ineligible for monetization and what the copyright claim is really in regards to. Now, just know I have had partnerships with music and stuff like that, such as Epidemic Sound and other type of companies. Sometimes you do get copyright claims, even if you're using music in regards to one of those partnerships. You have to resolve it by actually emailing a response to Epidemic Sound or whatever company that may be directly. Tell them the video, give them the YouTube URL, and then your account name and email, and then they'll go ahead and they'll release that from the copyright claim. So that way you can move forward. Now, in this case, you're going to notice that Destination Calabria, Starships, and There She Goes. All of these are the reasons why the video cannot be monetized. Now, you can click from the drop down and it's going to give you a list of several options, and you can choose to select from those options what would best suit you. Do you want to replace the song? Do you want to mute the song? Or do you want to trim out the segment? For this particular video, I am actually just going to have the song muted. Now, do you have rights to this content? This is another way that you can go about disputing it. However, every time that I've actually done it when in partnership with another company, I actually just emailed them directly and they took care of it right away. Because sometimes you don't know how that dispute is going to look against them when it comes to YouTube. So you don't want to get them in trouble if you have a really good partnership with them. So mute all sound when song plays, or do you want to mute song only? So I'm going to say I want to mute the song only because I'm not sure what Brent is saying during that time. And then I'm going to click continue. Now I'm going to go through Starships and There She Goes for both of those as well. And I'm going to do the same thing. And once I'm done, it's going to actually remove that copyright claim and then allow for the video to therefore be monetized, which is awesome because YouTube doesn't even have to give you the opportunity to make these changes, but they do it because they want all of their creators on the YouTube site. And with Google, they want you to be successful. They really want to bridge the gap between creators and the public because they know that you're putting out content that people are finding consumable. And the longer that they can keep people on their platform, then the more money they're making as an entire business because of the ads that you're taking in. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the same thing after this is done processing. but I just wanted to show you what the process was in order to remove those copyright claims, so you can therefore make those changes immediately and then have your video therefore be found eligible for monetization, and then in time start to be monetized by those viewing it. And for this particular video, it's a 46-minute video. So 9 times out of 10, if people are watching it for 46 minutes, they might be seeing 3 to 4 ads during that video that would allow for people to take action and monetize us through those clicks. So I'm going to go ahead and let this one process and then do the same thing for the last 2. But now you can make those changes yourself. Any questions, any comments, as always, definitely drop them in the comments section below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And until the next video, I will see you then. Keep creating, guys. Later.